The electrical control panel can be compared to the heart of any industrial plant. It supplies all the machinery and equipment connected to it. To achieve safe and efficient plants, it is necessary to refer to the current rules in the electrical sector, paying particular attention on the North American and Canadian markets. The installation of the control panel's components, even when on board of the machine, is defined by ANSI UL 508A and CSA C22.2 number 286 standard. In compliance with the above standards, Tekima can provide single-core cables for flexible connections, voltage indicators and voltage test stations for the detection of dangerous voltages, arc flash relay with light or fiber optic sensors, LED luminaries, protection fuses and fuse holders, safety labels in several languages, heat shrinkable tubings for protection, insulation and sealing. The know-how of technical and regulatory requirements makes Tekima qualified company and trusted partner for the most suitable product in compliance with construction and installation needs. Thanks to the exclusive partnership with American manufacturers, Tekima is able to provide the products specifically requested by the customer for the manufacturing of the electrical control panel in North America and Canada. All products offered are multi-standard, which allows a wide flexibility of use regardless of the destination market.